part of Sri Lanka known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, home to beautiful beaches, incredible wildlife, and fantastic cultural diversity. There are also some amazing organizations here that are helping the local people with the challenges they're facing and that we felt we could support in a big way. So why Sri Lanka? Tea is the world's most popular drink behind water, and Sri Lanka is one of the top tea producers in the world. Sadly, most of the people actually picking the tea are being massively exploited by the plantations, with most of the workers living well below the international poverty line set by the UN. This leads to a wide range of social and domestic issues. There's no quick fix to these issues, but we're going to try and do the small part we can to educate future generations, spread awareness, and partner with the projects that are working on genuine solutions. In the Highlands, we'll be spending some time with Tea Leaf Vision. Their center is working with the adult children of tea plantation workers to break the cycle of poverty by teaching their students valuable work and life skills.
So the reason that I think this project's really important, and I think it's really important to open up the experiences and eyes and hearts of international students like yours coming into Tea Leaf. I believe that exposure to other cultures is the way for peace. And the young people who come from your school and from other international schools, what they give to our students is a feeling of, okay, we're equal. We have a place here and we can go toe to toe and we can work alongside these other young people to transform the future into what we want it to be.
Up here in Muskelia, plantations depend on Tamil workers to pick up to 22 kilos of tea per person per day for as little as $3. With Tea Leaf Vision, we'll spend a morning in the tea fields learning the ins and outs of how tough it is to harvest one of the world's most popular drinks.
It gave us a really good perspective on what those women have to do, because we did that for an hour and they have to go for 8 hours a day, and so it gave a lot of perspective.
It was really inspiring and made me really aware of the tea that I've been consuming for my whole life, and the tea that's in my home and everywhere.
In Udawalawe, we're going to jump in our jeeps before sunrise and head into the national park to try to spot some of Sri Lanka's amazing wildlife. We'll be taking surfing lessons in the beautiful Weligama Bay, which is world-renowned as being one of the best locations for learning how to surf. In Gaul, we'll take a walk around the impressive fort while enjoying beautiful views of the ocean and learning about the area's long colonial past. As part of the program at Foundation of Goodness, we'll get the chance to hang out with some local students, share a bit of our culture, learn a bit of theirs, and find some common ground over a few matches of cricket.
We love this idea. It is actually a really nice thing. We love international schools coming over and playing with these poor rural kids.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this trip. It's a lot of fun. You'll make so many new friends and you'll do things that you're never going to do anywhere else.
You'll see so much hope. I really did see that. They were so happy, and you wouldn't think that they were going through so much in their lives outside of that.
You learn about yourself and you learn about others, and it helps a lot. Regardless of where you go, who you go with, I would definitely recommend. Especially Sri Lanka, because it's super nice and super pretty.
Our hope for the students that come on this trip is that they not only have an amazing time experiencing the scenery, culture, and food of Sri Lanka, but that they also take home some valuable lessons they can apply in their own lives and maybe gain a slightly better appreciation for the goods they use every day that they might take for granted.